I'm Jennifer from Haizol. Thank you for tuning in to another one of our videos. This one is very important. It touches on two topics: finding a new supplier and finding and building a sustainable supplier base. Whether you're a small or medium-sized company and you have an existing supplier and would like to branch out, or you'd like to find more suppliers to help mitigate risk of any potential disruptions, or you're new starting out and would like to find your first supplier to make your part or product come to life, this video is one for you. So let's get started. First, we have building your sustainable supplier base. Sustainability is about more than sourcing materials and manufacturing. Within every company, the decisions made often have important and long-term effects on sustainability. From company structure, part design and development, operations, sales, and sourcing and production, these choices should be made with sustainability at the forefront. Sustainability has been one of the hottest topics for businesses worldwide, with a growing shared appreciation that corporate responsibility not only creates a better world, it also pushes financial value. That being said, companies see the importance in working with outside businesses who share their sustainability objectives in terms of aspects including decreasing greenhouse gas emissions, eradicating slave labor, avoiding plastics, preserving water in production, and tapping into renewable energy sources. Procurement teams are in a prime position to push these initiatives and developments, and are in an important position to drive such initiatives forward, as these kind of improvements are made possible through supply chain activities. So why is it important to source a sustainable supplier base? Supply chains are expanding more and more into developing countries, which requires sustainable sourcing. Those who are searching for reduced costs and improved production capacity typically go this route. Sustainable sourcing is able to create resilient, long-term relationships with suppliers. Sustainability in supply chains is important for reasons as well as going green. A sustainable supply chain increases productivity whilst reducing cost. By using sustainable techniques and resources, you increase the efficiency of buildings, vehicles, and machinery at a significant cost saving. So why is it important to source a sustainable supplier base? Well, the end user cares. For an increasing number of consumers, where the product has come from, as well as how it's made, plays a big part in their buying choices. Products and services that are sustainably sourced can aid companies generating a triple bottom line of social, environmental, and financial advantages, showing that companies of any size can succeed by doing good. Products and services that are sustainably sourced reflect both environmental impact and the treatment of workers. The triple bottom line of social, environmental, and financial benefits derived from sustainable sourcing is known as the 3 Ps: people, planet, and profit. So how do you choose a sustainable supplier and a sustainable sourcing base? That is where Haizol comes in. Haizol pre-vet the suppliers for you. So sourcing suppliers, especially in today's environment where travel is not as easy as it used to be, to check out suppliers that you previously have researched, it's not a simple task. Sourcing the right supplier for your project and that fits your personal criteria requires a considerable amount of time researching online, and even then, a lot of the information that you would like to know about a particular supplier isn't necessarily displayed and easily retrievable. Haizol are one of the largest manufacturing marketplaces and have essentially put in all the hard work for you. Starting as a small group of manufacturers and industry experts, Haizol has grown to become a huge group of talented individuals spread across China who know exactly who to source, what to look for, and how to vet a supplier. Haizol have spent the last 5 years perfecting their craft of bringing sustainable, high quality, reliable suppliers to the world. Essentially, Haizol go to visit the factory and check out all those things that are so important to know: the qualifications, certifications, the capabilities, how they do their quality checks, and more importantly, the customer reviews. So how previous customers have found their service and the quality of their parts. So you know, when you hop onto our website, you are getting quotes from suppliers who have been pre-vetted and you know are reliable and who can produce your product to a high, consistent quality long term. You can even see facts on R&D and all the information that you need from the supplier. Want to know how sustainable the supplier is and it's not displayed? Simply ask them in the box, in the chat box provided by Haizol on their website. Everything is transparent, and that is so important for manufacturing going forward. So in our next video, we'll be having a look at how to use Haizol's website. So please do tune in, and how our filters are categorized and how you can hop on and get a quote within 24 hours from our over 200,000 suppliers across Asia. Thank you for tuning in and have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.